Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Bitcoin mining company CleanSpark rallied 5% in after-hours trading after announcing that it had secured a $100 million financing deal with institutional investor-focused Coinbase Prime. Sempra said it would sell a 45% stake in its infrastructure unit for $10 billion and has approved a $14 billion expansion of Port Arthur LNG project in Texas, sending the utility's shares to their highest in nearly 7 months. Gold prices climbed to a fresh record high, aided by safe haven flows amid geopolitical uncertainty and expectations of further Federal Reserve rate cuts. US gold futures for December delivery settled 1.1% higher.
The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.